Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a whole house clean with me, just tackling the dirty house from a few days of just taking it easy on the cleaning. As you can see, it's pretty strode, but not too bad. It took me about an hour or two to get it all cleaned. So let's go ahead and do our before shots, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually had Nate, he offered to wash all of the dishes for me from the day before, so that he did that earlier, so that's why there's not really any dirty dishes. So I'm very thankful that he helped out. So starting off in our bedroom, I'm just going to start by making the bed. We had a busy morning, and so I didn't make the bed as soon as I woke up this morning. And yes, Caleb is being a little bit grumpy because, in his words, he just likes being grumpy for the camera. So he was being grumpy to the camera. But we're just making up our bed, getting it all nice and put together, because I don't know about you, but my room feels 10 times cleaner when the bed is made up as opposed to the bed not being made up. So I do really love making up my bed, and I usually get it done first thing in the morning, but I just did it on this day. If you remember from my last cleaning video, I do believe it was in there, but we had actually moved Caleb's bed to this little corner to see if it helped him sleep better and to see if he and Zoe were able to get better sleep, and it did not work. So we moved him back into the room with Zoe, and it's actually they've both been doing pretty good lately, so hopefully they continue to just sleep through the night and not wake up super early. Moving on to the living room, I am, as you can see, throwing everything in a big old pile just because it was pretty strode today, and it made it a lot easier for me to have everything in one big pile before starting to put everything away. That way I could just go through the pile and pick out one or two categories to put away at a time. Just separating out the toys that were in their bedroom. I did end up taking every toy out of their bedroom today to get them all separated in their own containers again. That way I can put some of them back away into the extra room, so that way they're just not so overwhelmed with toys. You can see here we were kind of having a Mexican standoff because she was refusing to put her toys away, and she just refused to do it. So we had ourselves a little Mexican standoff here because she kept telling me no, but I was like, you need to do it. And she said no, and I'm like, you need to do it, and she finally did it. These are our library books for the week. I like to keep them separate than all of our other books, just that way when it's time to take them back to the library, I know exactly where they are and I can easily tell if we're missing any. Vacuuming our rug is not something I get to very often, but I should probably do it more often than I do. But it's very satisfying when I'm vacuuming it, and it's just, you can tell it's been vacuumed and it looks clean. I want to take a moment to thank all you guys for being here and watching my video. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Just that way you can be updated when I upload a new video. And those are typically uploaded every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I do cleaning videos, grocery hauls, daily life, some cooking videos, just different types of videos that have to do with being a stay-at-home mom. So I would love for you to subscribe if you're not already. Onto the kitchen, I'm just doing the last bits that need to be cleaned. I will also be putting away the dishes, as you'll see, and just getting the counters cleaned off and getting them back in order and organized again. Here's a little behind the scenes of what I see when I'm cleaning. She was over there standing by the camera and just watching it while I swept, watching me sweep in the camera. It was pretty cute. And here's my after. As you will see, some parts are not super clean. It was late by the time I had gotten the kids into bed and everything, and I just didn't feel like doing anymore, so I didn't that night. I did straighten up the bathroom and the kitchen a little bit, like where you see the blanket on the floor. And the big pile of toys you just saw, I actually separated those out and put them all in their boxes and baskets like I said I was going to do. I just did it the next morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.